Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if you can't hear the sound coming out of your tablet. So the first thing is to try changing the volume and try setting it up to the loudest level and check if you can hear anything. And if you don't worry, you can go to the settings, select sound, scroll down and check all the applications and the volume level in all of them. Check if it's not disabled for the application that you're using, and also check if your device is on sound mode. If it doesn't help, try going into Bluetooth and disabling it, because some Bluetooth sound devices might be connected to your device, and that might be the reason why you can't hear sound coming from out of your tablet. And if this doesn't help either, then go to System and Updates, check for software update. This might help just in some cases. So go to software update, check for updates, and if there are any, take your time to install them. Don't remember to restart your device afterwards. And if all of this doesn't help, then the last thing is to go to reset, select reset all settings and confirm by pressing this button, and then confirm it again. And once all the settings are reset, try restarting your tablet and check if the sound works for you now. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.